Sanibonani, Dumelang, Avsheni, Bonjour. Ngiyanibingelela egameni leNkosi yami uJesu Kristu. Nasekuseni ngithi nje hi good people. Onibingelelayo Ntomgayise owakamabaso. Ngithanda nje ukunamukela kwi-channel yami Indaba Online Radio and TV. Kakhulu nje this channel is about the story of my life. I've been through a lot in life. I feel ukuthi akube kunesikhona ukuchitha isikhathi ukuthi ngishare story sami, because I hope ukuthi nabanye abantu they can learn a lot from it. If abantu these days bethi impilo movie, I'm saying that nami ngithi my life has been a movie. Ibile movie kakhulu. Kube nezikhathi ezimnandi empilweni yami, kube nezikhathi ezinzima empilweni yami, kube nezikhathi engingakwazi ukuyi-explain ukuthi zifila kanjani. But for I will take my life episode to episode, guys. I think per episode we will spend about 30 minutes and then wait for the following episodes. And so I think for now it's about my life. It's about you guys learning a lesson, because I believe what you will learn a lot from my life. There's a lot of things. Ikakhulukazi ngiyathanda ukuthi abazalwane abasindisiwe bengasali kule ndaba, ngoba kuningi okurelateayo to them. I know ukuthi in most cases siyathanda ukuthi sibe denial ngezinto ezabazalwane, but we go through it. So I will take you guys step by step nje to highlight few things engizobe ngikhuluma ngazo. Introduce nje to my life, my background and everything. Izinto engizoyithinta ukuthi ngikhulele emndenini onjani, ngingowesingaki kanjalo kanjalo. That is my introduction. And then my teenage years, ukuthi what happened to my teenage years. Ngifuna singene kulento yokuthi uyi-virgin uyithole uinfectwa ngo-HIV, and ngifuna futhi ukuthi singene kulento yokuthi uzale ingane while you are HIV positive, kuleya minyaka yakudala where khona kungekho maphilisi nani. Ngiyathanda futhi ukuthi kule ama-episode eqhubeka sikhulume about ukuthandana nomuntu oshadile. Okwesibili ngithanda futhi sikhulume, okunye engithanda sikhulume ngakho, not say okwesibili, but okunye kulama episode engiyothanda ukuthi sikhulume, ukukhuluma ngomzalwane ephila double life. Ngiyathanda ukuthi sikhulume ngama-abortion enziwe abazalwane, yet even today akekho umuntu owaziyo ngawo. Ngiyathanda ukuthi sikhulume ngokukhetha uhlobo lika-partner ofanele ukushada naye, ubungozi nobubi bokushada. Ngiyathanda sikhulume ngama-families are broken. I think it's everything ozoyifunda kule Sesame Story. Kuningi ozokufunda. Ngiyakholwa ukuthi kuningi ngizokufunda. I will also touch to my story of being hunted by izinkabi because of a relationship engangizifake kuyo noma engangena kuyona. Ngifuna sikhulume ngokuba yi-single parent, man. Leyo iyangithasha kakhulu, but I want us to speak about it because I feel ukuthi sonke silimele noma go through i-pain ezabazali abangabodwana noma abazithole bekhulisa ingane ngabodwana. Kungenzeka ukuthi ipain yami ingcono kuneyakho, noma ipain yakho ingcono kuneyami, kodwa okusalayo ukuthi sonke we've been through pain. So nginezihloko nje impela ezibalulekile engifisa siy'thashe, but for today let me go through to i-story se-background yami nje, my introduction. As I said, igama lami nguNtomgayise, ngiwakaMabaso, ngiganele kwaZuma, ngizalwa endaweni yaseGingindlovu, ngizalelwe emshadweni, ngiyingane yesi-12 kubazali bami abaney'ngane eziwu-13. Ngikhuliswe ubaba, abanye bengathi ubeyibhantinti because uboshiwe for 10 years ubaba wami. Ngaleso sikhathi ubengakabi nefamily. I think he was about 22 years when agwaza abulala umuntu, wagwetshwa ngaleza khathi zobandlululo, wathola u-10 years wakhe because it was a self-defense. And then yeah, ngizalwa eBhantindi, but iBhantindi that turned to be a farmer. Ubaba wami after ukubhantinta kwakhe waphuma waba yifama. Ngizalwa uma wami obeyi-housewife, go through a lot, that I must say. Ngizalwe kwi-situation where izinto ey'ningi bezinga-prioritiziwe kakhulu. Ya ngikhule kanjalo nje, where uma ngabe kuwukuthi awuyile esikoleni, awuyile moyile, uyile kanjalo nje. Ngikhule emndenini, ngeke ngithi besisokola cause bengakaze silale singadlile ekhaya because ubaba, as I said, he was a farmer and he was making money out of it. Yeah, but there was a lot of toxicity eyayikhona kule family of 15 because remember I said ubazali bami bebeney'ngane eziwu-13 bese kuba umamami nobabami of which besiwu-15. So mina ngiphuma emndenini onjalo-ke, ngingowesi-12 ebazalini bami. But now out of lo 13 wey'ngane kusele iy'ngane eziwu-6. Bonke abantu bakhona bashone sebebadala, and i-majority yabo babulawe u-HIV. I hope I'm gonna remember uma ngabe ngiza kwi-story se-family yami to share this story with you guys, because I see ukuthi maybe angeke ngikwazi ukukhumbula, ngisacela ukuvane ngi-go through it. Mina udadewethu bengilama, ushone bena-17, ubekhulelwe ena 6 months ekhulelwe. Kulo 6 months wakhe ekhulelwe, I think she was going through depression because the guy obemkhulelisile uye was a distancer from her, and honestly akangenanga kwi-relationship willingly. I think she was under pressure of my mom. Yo, there's a lot about my family, guys. No man, I don't know if like ngicela ningitshele kuma-comment ukuthi do I need to continue yini ngishare le story sikasisi wami sisodwa separately, because I feel ukuthi siyangishaya emotionally and ngifila ngathi siyiso nje sisodwa, siyi-episode and ebuhlungu kakhulu. So I don't wanna go through emotions. Ngizozwa ngani kuma-comments ukuthi ngishare lesi story. Yeah, and yeah, let me just yeah ne. Yeah, let me just go through with into yokuthi ngiphume emndenini onjani. Ubaba wami ube owner a hectares and hectares of amasimi. Ubaba wami ube nogandaganda. Ubaba wami was that person owesatshwayo nje endaweni because ube umuntu nje obengabhedelwa nje-ke kakhulu. Yeah. And that is my background. Nginengane eyodwa but not eyodwa. I think nizokuthola as ngiqhubeka nama-episodes ami ukuthi how come ngithi nginengane eyodwa kodwa engekho yodwa. Le ngane enginayo ina-21 years old. Ya nginomuzi wami esengiwakhile engawakha as a single parent. Ngiyazi ukuthi ekuqaleni ngiyamention ukuthi ngishadile but ngithanda ukuthi konke engikushoyo manje ni-exclude kule nto yokuthi ngishadile. Nginomuzi, ya ngiloyo muntu. Ngicabanga ukuthi i-background yami ngisho enough nge-background yami. Ngihopa ukuthi as I continue to share my story, kukhona ngine-sure kukhona enizokugeyina khona. Ngiyacela nje guys kakhulu ukuthi ni-subscribe, ni-like niphinde ni-comment. As I said ukuthi khona la engizodinga khona ukuthi ningisize ukuthi lesi story sifuna ukusizwa in details, ungadluli ungazange uze ungene deep to sona, so that ngizokwazi ukuthi ngingene kuso ngibe deep kusona. Yeah, another story engifisa ukuthi ngisishare, engizothanda ukuthi ning-advise ukuthi ngabe kumele ngishare noma there's no need. It's a story of one of my siblings owadrive imoto yakhe purposely wayoyiphose truckini wazibulala. There's a lot of pain. There is like engakusho nje ukuthi there's a lot of pain in my family, in my background, in my everything, to the point that that is why I'm hesitate sometimes to share my story, but yeah, you learn. Please subscribe, like and comment. Ngiyanithanda kakhulu guys. Bye.